359 meditation on practicing Buddhism. It is true that by means of the quick path of Vajrayana, it is said that one can attain Buddhahood very rapidly without abandoning negative emotions. But this is risky. In Milarepa's biography, one Lama tells him, "Whoever meditates on my teaching during the daytime becomes a Buddha during the daytime. Whoever meditates on it at night becomes a Buddha at night. And fortunate beings who have a favorable karma have no need to meditate on it at all." Milarepa, convinced as he was that he must be one of those fortunate individuals, spent his time sleeping. If we misinterpret things like this, there is a risk we will be over-enthusiastic to begin with, but grow tired very quickly. If, on the other hand, our enthusiasm is based on a true understanding of how the path works, it will not fail. It is essential to understand this.